Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, DocuSign Action Automation for Workflows. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Then click on Install to choose an account where you want to install the app in it. And click on Continue, click on Allow and Install, copy the custom menu link, switch back to the account, navigate and click on Settings, click on Custom Menu Links and click on Create New. Enter an icon, give a name, and you paste the link here. Give a sidebar preference, select an account, and you give a role-based visibility, then you click on Save. Once you're done installing and creating your custom menu link, switch back to the account, click on the custom menu link itself. You're going to see all the available apps. Click on the search icon and you search for the app. Then you click on Manage or Connect to connect your app. Then the second interface is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials and set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Copy the redirect URL and head to the account which you've created online. Click on your profile, click on the manage keys. Then you click on add app, you give a sample name, click on create. Copy the base, scroll down under additional settings and paste the redirect URL which we copied here. Then scroll down again and toggle on all the HTTP methods and click on Save. Copy the base account URL, click on Start Setup and paste. Copy the account ID, head back to the account and paste. Scroll down and look for the app we are just from creating. Click on the action, click on Edit. Then you copy the client ID, head back to your account and paste. Generate the secret key, scroll down and you click on Add Secret Key. You copy, scroll right down at the level of the Save button, click on it, switch back to your account and paste the secret key right here. Click on Complete Setup. You're going to receive this pop-up page. Click on Allow Access. And there you go, your app will be successfully connected and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call for our support team. And we have a change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the new updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email to stay connected and receive all the updates. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.